Hey beautiful family, it's ELBeautyL, and today I'm bringing you guys a Pinch Me box. So, Pinch Me is an online service where you receive free items. I said free. Free items for just giving your opinion. Everybody want to know what I gotta say about stuff. Okay, and they would have you do a few surveys just to get some information about you so that they know what free samples would be best for you. So once you sign up, once a month on a Tuesday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time to be exact, they offer free samples. So you would go onto the website and you would choose the free samples that you want. There may be about 5 or 6 or a little more, a little less free samples. Now you can choose all of them, I believe, or you can choose just a few of them, or you can decide you don't want any of those things. But I love free samples, and most often there are things that I know I could use. So you would go onto the website, you would sign up, take those surveys. Once a month on a Tuesday, you would go onto the website and choose the free samples that you want. And in several weeks, you'll receive a box, a Pinch Me box, with those free samples that you ordered. Now, what they expect from you, yes, they want something from you. They want your opinion, which I don't mind giving my opinion. They want your opinion on these products that they've sent to you for free. So when you use these products and you give your opinions, it does help you to qualify for products in the future, more free samples. Now, if you get these free samples and they don't hear a word from you, they're probably not going to allow you to continue to get their free samples and never give any feedback. They want the feedback. They want to know, what's up? Did you like it? No? Yes? Great? Whatever. Just let them know. So, for the unboxing, I actually have 2 boxes. So this first box is actually not mine. It's actually my mom's box, but she opened it already. And I wanted to show it to you guys because I didn't get this. So I wanted to show you off. But she received a box of Clairol hair color. And it's Clairol natural looking, nice and easy. Conditioners built into every step. So it's a good free bottle of hair dye. And again, it's the color black, 100% gray coverage. So she'll try this out and she'll give her opinion and she'll qualify for more samples. So on to the next. The next box is a Pinch Me box that actually I have not opened. So let's go ahead and get into it. Ooh, okay. So there are quite a few samples in here. And as you can see, hey, I cannot wait to open it. So let's see. The first item, quinoa and brown rice. Okay, this is cool. I do like quinoa and I do like brown rice with garlic, goodness from the ground up, seeds of change. Okay, now this is great. It's something for dinner, lunch. It says squeeze pouches of rice here. And it's actually microwavable, 90 seconds in the microwave. Hey, that's great. So that's definitely gonna get some use. Okay, this is Dark and Lovely Damage Slayer. Okay, so these are those sample packs. So they have step 1, the rescuer treatment, step 2, the restorer shampoo, and step 3, the strengthener conditioner. So I love getting new products for my hair and trying new things. So definitely something to use. Some Skittles, and these are Sweet Heat Skittles, fruity flavors with a spicy kick. sizzling strawberry, blazing mango, lemon spark, flaming orange, and fiery watermelon. Okay, I am down for that. That sounds good. I've actually seen these, seen coupons for these, and I've seen them in the stores. So this is cool. I can't wait to try this. So let's see. I think that's it. But okay. So I also received a save $2 off coupon. Save $2 on any one Seeds of Change food product. So that's great. So once I taste that rice and I'm like, okay, it's pretty good, I can use that. And actually this came in this box as well, and it's a nice and easy free box, one free box of nice and easy Clairol hair color. Okay. So this is cool. So I actually received this box, or received a coupon for a free box of nice and easy hair color. So that's cool. And on here there is like I guess like a hair tie. This thing right here is a hair tie. Okay, this is pretty cool. I likes. Oh, says rub for floral scent. Ooh, that does smell pretty good. So, well, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this Pinch Me unboxing. And again, go onto the website, Pinch Me, like, oh, your grandma pinched you, pinchme.com, and sign up for some things that you can get for free and give your opinion and let folks know how you feeling, what you mean, what you saying and stuff. You know, let them know. So yeah. Again, like I said, go on to pinchme.com. It will behoove you to give your opinion so that you can receive more free samples. So I want to thank you guys for watching. ELBeautyL out.